Hi, hello, and welcome to Film Companion South. This is Between the Lines, and I'm Asha Meera. The movie this week is going to be Garudan, directed by Dure Senthil Kumar. This film stars Suri, Sasi Kumar, Unni Mukundan, Samudrakani, Shivada, and many more. Garudan is Suri's second film as protagonist. With Viduthalai last year, he successfully changed his hats from being a comedian to being a protagonist. And so far, he's been having a great year. Three of his upcoming films have been internationally acclaimed at different film festivals. In Tamil cinema, however, there is a difference between being a hero and being the protagonist. What is the difference, you ask? Box office. So, will Garudan establish Suri as a hero at the box office? That becomes the question. The answer to that is definitely yes. We have a new hero in town. Garudan definitely takes a significant step towards positioning Suri as a commercial hero. There's this proper arc from being the underdog to being the commercial mass hero that we've seen so often on the big screen. And it uses very, very rooted devices to ensure that we're authentically able to see this character in that massy avatar. And this really works well because Suri's performance also uses this realistic space very well and doesn't deviate too much from the grounded tone of the film. The film's best thing is that it stays close to being realistic and authentic. The grounded nature of the film's writing, along with it being smart, is what helps the film really sell its drama the most. And we stay with this drama because even when the film sort of resorts to stereotypes, it ensures that there is at least one human moment for each character so that we tend to see them as people and not just characters or stereotypes. This really helps in us getting involved in the drama and getting very connected to the characters. The film only falters when it resorts to some very convenient solutions to ensure that the drama and the emotion progresses. It tries to fill this gap with some graphic violence, but that doesn't really hide all the convenience in the writing at certain moments. The good thing about this is these moments are few and they don't overpower the overall effectiveness of the story. But the disadvantage is that they come at the end of the film, that is in the second half towards the climax. So therefore, we're walking out with a mixed feeling instead of having the exhilarating, joy of watching a great film. As for performances, I think Suri has some great company in carrying the weight of the film. They've all done their roles well. The film uses them well for the most part. Unni Mukundan does feel a bit miscast in this grounded rural milieu, but I think it's a reflection of his abilities that his mild Malayali accent doesn't really distract us too much from the film or his performance. As a film, I feel this is definitely Dure Senthil Kumar's best outing. The film looks good, it's very effective, even if the graphic violence feels like a gimmick at times. Overall, the film feels like a very engaging drama. But once again, as always, if I can say so, UN is the strongest pillar in his side because the film's music, the background score is just so effective that even when the performance or the writings sort of fluctuate a bit here and there, he just powers through and ensures that we get the fullest amount of emotional impact that is necessary for that scene. So haters can hate. This is exactly why UN has never left and never needs a comeback. So that's it for this video on Garudan. I hope you liked watching this video and I will see you very soon with another film. Until then, have fun at the movies.